In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable links in ClickUp. So if you want links to appear as plain text such that they are not clickable, then you can do that. So you may want to go ahead and disable links or enable them depending on the situation. If you want to avoid malicious links, you need to go ahead and disable this feature. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to do this, go ahead and log into your ClickUp and then head over to your workspace here, and under it go to settings. Now under settings, head down to my settings and scroll down until you see plain text links. So you are told that if you enable this, then pasted URLs will appear as plain text hyperlinks, and this will disable auto unfurling hyperlinks such as embed or bookmarks. So if you want to enable this, go ahead and turn on, or if you want to disable, you can toggle off if it was on. So for my case, I'll go ahead and enable and then click on save. And now from now henceforth, anyone who pastes a link, the link will not be clickable, but it will just appear as plain text. So that's how you can disable or enable plain text links in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.